Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check graphics card on your HP ProBook 450G2. So if you want to see what graphics card your laptop has, you'll simply have to right-click the taskbar, for example over here, and then select Task Manager option. Now once the Task Manager opens, we'll have to go to the Performance section, and right here select the GPU, and right here we will be able to see the name of our graphic card, which is for me is Intel integrated HD graphics 5500. We can as well see our shared GPU memory utilization, current utilization, just the normal memory, but as you can see it doesn't differ. Driver version, driver date, DirectX version, and all the other information, and also you can monitor your GPU from here, just as every other part of the hardware of your computer. And that will be it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.